CCTV camera placement. A mall installs 3 cameras at 0, 0, B 2, 2, and C 4, 5. Security staff want to know whether the cameras lie on the same straight viewing line. Justify. So again we need to check here for collinear. So the 3 points are A, B and C. So A is origin 0, 0, B is 2, 2, C is 4, 5. So again I'll find the distance between AB, BC and AC. If AB distance, the sum of AB and BC, if it is equal to AC, the points are collinear. So first I'll find the distance between A and B. So here A is 0, 0 and B is 2, 2. So see, one point is origin, so I'll use direct formula, that is the distance between origin and a point is directly under root x square plus y square, because one point is origin. So under root 2 square plus 2 square, 4 plus 4, 2 times 4, 4 is a perfect square number, so 2 root 2 units. Or you can write root 8 here. You can write root 8 and then you can write 2 into 2 into 2. You can write as 2 root 2. This way also. Fine. Now I'll find the distance between BC. B is 2, 2. C is 4, 5. So now here the distance formula is BC. There are 2 points, so under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. So BC distance is, this is AB. Now BC distance is under root x2, 4 minus 2 whole square, and y2 is 5 minus 2 whole square. Now here 4 minus 2 is 2 square, 5 minus 2 is 3 square. So 4 plus 9 root 13. So BC is root 13 units. Now I'll find the distance for A and C. Here I'll do it. A is origin, C is 4, 5. So as one point is origin, so the distance between origin and a point is formula is x square plus y square. That point you can consider as x and y. Now AC, under root x is 4, y is 5. This is 16 plus 25, which is nothing but 41, root 41 units. Now see clearly here, AB plus BC, and if you write here, AB is 2 root 2, BC is root 13, AC is root 41. So clearly here, AB plus BC is not equal to AC. So therefore, all the 3 cameras are not on the same straight line. 3 cameras A, B and C are not on the same straight line. They're not on the same straight line.